Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up all the widget settings to display Google reviews on your website. After creating the widget, click on Edit to be redirected to the widget settings page. Now let's explore the widget settings in detail. In the Filter Rating section, selecting a star rating instantly updates the live preview. If there are no reviews for the selected rating, a message saying, "No review found for the selected rating," will appear to indicate no matching results. Next, use the Hide Element option to hide specific parts of the widget as needed. Enter the keywords, and these will be displayed on the front end for users to see. Toggle the Review Us button, and you can also change its color. Use the Trim Words feature to manage and limit the length of displayed review excerpts. Select the language, which updates the preview live, and apply sorting options directly on the front end. Choose your preferred date format for displaying reviews, and enable the Load More option, both of which will be visible on the front end for a better user experience. After finishing your configuration, simply save, get the shortcode, and copy it. Add the shortcode to your page, save it, and check the front of your site. The review box should show up properly, with all filters working, like sorting, searching by keyword, and the Load More button. You should also see the share icon, and long reviews will be shortened to keep things neat and clear. That's it for setting up all widget settings in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In our next video, we'll explore how to customize the shortcode. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact support if you need help.